Hello, welcome once more. This is Gabriel from NgahTech Group. So today we are going to be looking at how can we actually see the different tables available in our database. Remember that we are inside the database in NgahTech Group, so we're going to show tables. And this table is going to show which is table students. So for us to know the different columns in our students, how many columns do we have? We're going to use describe students and we press enter, we are going to see the different columns names. Okay, we have the fields, and then we have the data types, and we have new, key, default, extra. We are going to be seeing everything as we are moving forward in this particular course. So right now, what are we going to do? We want to insert now values into this particular table. If you type the command select star from students, you notice that there is nothing here. Okay, so how do we need to do? We have to insert now values by using the insert command. Insert into students. Okay, insert into students. What are we going to do? We're going to give the values in which we want to insert. We're going to say insert the students, which are the column names. We have st name, comma. We have stid. So the ID was supposed to come before. We have course, and we have department and lecturer. So values, okay. Remember that we have about 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Should be 5 columns. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Values. So we're going to insert our values now. Remember that the value should be in quotes. Okay. So we'll say values. First name is what we'll say Gabi. Name is Gabi, and second we are going to put the ID. The ID can be 1, and third we are going to give the course. Let's say Java, and we are also going to give the department is software, and we are also going to give lecturer. Okay, lecturer is Gabriel. Okay, and that is it. We now press enter. Notice that one row affected. Okay, so if we select star from students and press enter, you see that now we have a student name, which is Gabi. ID is 1, course is Java, department software, and lecturer Gabriel. So those are how you can insert values. You can just simply insert more into that by simply changing the name. Let's put this one to be Clarions, and software too as well, and then we'll put course to be C programming, and let's put ID to be 1. Okay, that's to be 2, and let's put the name to be Ariane. Okay, so once it's done, we press enter. One row affected again, and if we press select star, let's say from student again, you see that we have one that has been entered. So the name Gabi, Ariane, and then different lecturers is that. So that's how you can actually insert values into your tables. Thank you very much for watching, and see you on our next video.